Hi, my name is Mustafa Rangwala. I am a consultant sports physiotherapist at Center for Sports Medicine in Sir H.N. Reliance Foundation Hospital. Today I am here to speak about anterior knee pain in sports. Let us begin with how common is anterior knee pain in world and sports. Globally, anterior knee pain shows about 25% of prevalence, which means 1 in 4 people are affected with anterior knee pain. In sports, basketball and volleyball shows the highest prevalence of 70 to 80%, followed by track and field athletes and football, which shows up to 30 to 40%. Let us see the anatomy of knee joint. The knee joint anatomy comprises of the femur, the thigh bone, the leg bones, tibia and fibula, and the center bone, which is known as the patella. The most common cause of any injury is muscle, so as in anterior knee pain. Muscle tightness can reduce flexibility, which can restrict complex movement in sports, causing anterior knee pain. Muscle weakness, for example in hip muscle weakness, it can lead to overworking of the knee muscle, which can lead to tremendous pressure on the knee and can cause anterior knee pain. Muscle overload, which is caused due to fatigue, overworking or lower level of fitness, can again lead to anterior knee pain. And then lastly, muscle imbalance, for example, if the ratio of the back and the front of the thigh muscle, which is the hamstrings and the quadriceps, is disturbed, again there is a chance of getting anterior knee pain. Biomechanics is also one of the important causes of anterior knee pain. Therefore, alignment is very important to avoid any injury. Let us see the knee alignment, where the center pair of legs shows the normal alignment of the knee joint. The one on the right shows the less common, which is the bow leg, where the knee joint is angulated outside, and the third one is the most common, which is known as knock knee, where the knee angle is angulated inside. Foot alignment also impacts the alignment of your knee, which can cause anterior knee pain. Firstly is the flattening of the arch, where the knee joint also tilts inwards and is very common. The second is less common, which has a high arch and the knee tilts outwards. Anterior knee pain has other causes like faulty equipments, mainly footwear, which can alter the alignment of the foot and increase the impact from the ground, if not worn accordingly to the required sport. Trauma is also another cause, where fall and accidents are usually happen in contact sports like football, rugby, etc. The most common symptom found in knee injury is pain. But it is important to know the location, the movement causing, and how much is the intensity of pain. In location, the common locations you see in the picture for anterior knee pain is found in A, C, F and E, whereas B and D can be associated along due to recent trauma or old injury. In movements, stair climbing, knee bending, squatting, and kneeling activities can give knee pain. Intensity of the pain is measured by a visual analog scale, where 0 is no pain and 10 is the worst imaginable pain. If you feel that you are at risk, then you need to meet a sports rehab team for the following test. Firstly, medical tests to know your blood profile and some radiological examination if required. Basic tests, which are manual tests to know the health of your joints, muscles and ligaments and basic movements. Sports specific tests, which will show any abnormalities in functional movements and also the level of your fitness. Nutrition screening for your general health and balanced diet, as well as psychological status to know the mental readiness for competition or training. Now let us see what is the plan of action. Most commonly, non-surgical approach for anterior knee pain is followed, where the sports physiotherapist does manual therapy in terms of joint mobilization techniques and soft tissue release techniques, with early rehab exercises, which is advanced to sports specific exercises, and it usually takes up to 6 to 12 weeks for going back to sports. If the pain has not to be managed with physiotherapy, corticosteroid injection, and after that sports rehab is important, which can be taken again the same 6 to 12 weeks for going back to sports. If surgery is required, which is rare, sports rehab again is very important for getting back to sports, which takes about 6 to 8 months. So that was a short talk on anterior knee pain. Thank you.